Welcome to Al Mixal. Welcome to Rafisa Dam. Welcome to Al Suhub Rest House. Beautiful place. Going to Heritage Village in Sharjah, and we haven't had our breakfast yet, so we'll have barley for now. Hi guys. Sorry, not that good in the camera. Not much of a speaker. Going to Heritage Village Sharjah, and we haven't had our breakfast yet, so we'll have barley for now.
So see you guys. Naka-stop over kami dito sa city center ng Fujairah para kumain. Guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain. Nabusog naman kami pero hindi namin naubos yung pagkain natin. Nabusog ka? Buti pa siya nabusog.
Hi guys, welcome to Al Mixal, but unfortunately I think it's forever closed. I don't know, but it's a beautiful place.
So hi guys, so ayun, close pa din. Third time na namin pumunta dito pero close pa rin siya. What to do, Yani? So next namin maghanap kami ng another spot. So see you there.
Welcome to Rafisa Dam.
Hi guys! Andito naman tayo ngayon sa Rafisa Dam. Iki-quick tour lang po kayo. So, ayan naman yung kayaking guys. Pero hindi tayo ngayon magkakayaking. Kasi na-try na namin dati to nung pumunta kami dito. So, ito-tour ko lang kayo saglit dito sa Rafisa Dam.
Ano natin nyo?
Inaayos pa lang siya. Dapat siyang magandang ano dito. Pang camping. Parang ganun, no? Itong side na to guys, soon to be open. Kang mawawala.
We're done here. Maybe next destination. Let's go.
Pupunta na tayo sa Al Suhub Rest House.
Sarado.
Welcome to our rest house. Eh, no!
Sarado yan yung barrel. Hi, welcome to Al Suhub Rest House.
Naglag akong cellphone pa. Tama na. Yeah, man. Taka na, makalaro ka pa.
Manggat ako ikaw may gano'n dyan.
So yun guys, nandito kami sa loob. Nag-order lang kami ng cake at saka coffee para mamaya wala kaming entrance fee. So yun lang. So ito naman ang ambience niya guys sa gabi.
I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.